everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome you back in my geography classes. So what we will learn today? Today we will know about the state of West Bengal, our state where we live in, of class 4 from the chapter The Northern Plains. So, in the last videos, we have already learned about the different states which lies in the Ganga basin. That is, we have learned about Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and at last we will know about West Bengal. So, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. West Bengal, a coastal state located in the eastern part of our country. In the last video, we have read about Bihar. Farther east of Bihar is West Bengal. Do you know which is the capital of West Bengal? The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. West Bengal may be broadly divided into two natural geographical divisions, the Gangetic Plain in the south and the sub-Himalayan and Himalayan area in the north. The river Ganga and its tributaries and distributaries flows through this state. The main distributary of river Ganga, the Hooghly River, flows through Kolkata before reaching Bay of Bengal. So we can say that state capital of Kolkata is situated on the bank of the Hooghly River in the southern portion of West Bengal. Another important river, the river Damodar, also flows through the state, which joins the Hooghly from to the southwest of Kolkata. The sub-Himalayan part is also known as the West Bengal Duars, is a part of the Terai belt. North of the Duars, the Himalayan mountain ranges rise along the northern boundary of the state. Mount Kanchenjunga, actually located in adjacent Sikkim, but dominates the landscape of the area, particularly in Darjeeling. Of the different religions, Hindus live in large numbers, along with Muslims. Buddhists, Christians, Jains, Sikh also live in small number. Which are the main languages that are spoken in West Bengal? The main languages that are spoken in West Bengal are Bengali, Hindi, Urdu, Santali, and Nepali. A small number of people speak Kuruk, the language of the Oraon. English with Bengali is the language of the administration. The most important cities of West Bengal are Kolkata, Durgapur, Asansol, Shiliguri, Holdia, Bardhaman, and Malda. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people here. Rice is the main crop that grows here. Other major crops are sugarcane, oilseed, jute, wheat. Along with this, fruits like mangoes, jackfruit, bananas are also grown here. The northern areas around Darjeeling and Jalpaiguri is very famous for the production of high quality of tea. In Darjeeling, oranges, apples, pineapples, ginger, cardamom are also grown. Jute, silk, textile, steel plants like at Durgapur and Barnpur, oil refineries at Holdia are the major industries of West Bengal. Since West Bengal has a long coastline, fishing is an important occupation of the people. Now let us know which are the festivals that are celebrated in West Bengal. The most important festival of West Bengal is Durga Puja. Other festivals that are celebrated here are Bengali New Year, Guru Purnima, Bhai Phota, Kali Puja, Jagathatri Puja, Muharram, Eid, Rath Yatra, Saraswati Puja, Christmas, and many more. Sweets of West Bengal such as Rasgulla and Sandesh are very popular all over India. There are so many places to visit in West Bengal like Bakura, Shantiniketan, Mayapur, Sundarban, the land of mangrove, which is known for hosting the biggest mangrove in the world. It is also an important national park and a tiger reserve. It attracts a lot of tourists for Royal Bengal tigers, roaring rivers and beautiful estuaries. Darjeeling, Shiliguri, Mirik, Digha, Duars, Kalimpong, Murshidabad, Karsiong, বকখালি, বিষ্ণুপুর, লাটাগুড়ি, লোলেগাঁও, মুকুটমণিপুর, বীরভূম, দক্ষিণেশ্বর টেম্পল, বেলুর মঠ, Victoria Memorial, Eden Garden of Kolkata are the famous places to visit in West Bengal. So, what we get to know about West Bengal? Let us recapitulate. West Bengal is a coastal state located in the eastern part of the country. West Bengal may be divided into two natural geographic divisions, the Gangetic Plain in the south and the sub-Himalayan and Himalayan area in the north. The river Ganga, its distributaries flows through this state. The Hooghly River, which is the main distributary of river Ganga. I hope everybody remember that from after flowing through Bihar, as it reaches West Bengal, here it gets divided into the river Ganga, gets divided into Poddo and the Hooghly. So Hooghly River is the main distributary of river Ganga, which flows through Kolkata. Which is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. Another river that flows through this state and joins the river Hooghly is the Damodar River. The sub-Himalayan parts is also known as West Bengal Duars, and north of the Duars, the Himalayan mountain ranges rises abruptly. Now, let us know about the major population of West Bengal. The major population of West Bengal are the Hindus. Along with Hindus, Muslims also live in large numbers. Buddhists, Christians, Sikh and Jain lives in small numbers in West Bengal. Which are the main languages that are spoken by the people of West Bengal? Bengali, Hindi, Santali, Urdu and Nepali. We should also remember that English along with Bengali is the administrative language of West Bengal. Now, what is the main occupation of the people of West Bengal? The main occupation is agriculture. Along with agriculture, we will also see that fishing is another important occupation. Now, which are the important crops that are grown here? Rice is the main crop. Other than rice, wheat, oilseeds, jute, sugar and fruits like mango, jackfruit are also grown here. Darjeeling and Jalpaiguri is very famous for its high quality of tea production. There are other industries in West Bengal like the textile industry, jute industry, silk industries, steel plants, oil refineries, which are important industries of West Bengal. Now, the major cities of West Bengal are Kolkata, Durgapur, Asansol, Bardhaman, Holdia, Malda and Shiliguri. There are a lot of festivals that are celebrated here in West Bengal. The most important festival is Durga Puja. Other than Durga Puja, Kali Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Saraswati Puja, Jagadatri Puja, Bhai Pota, so many festivals are there that we enjoy in West Bengal. We all know that Rashogolla, সবাই ভালোবাসে খেতে তো রসগোল্লা, Rashogolla and Sandesh are very popular sweets of West Bengal that are famous all over the world. There are so many delicious cuisines which are also famous all over the world, and we all love to eat them, isn't it? Now, which are the places that attracts a lot of tourists every year in West Bengal? There are so many places like Sundarban. We know Sundarban is a land of mangroves, and also it is very famous for the Royal Bengal tigers. Mirik, Kalimpong, Murshidabad, Darjeeling, Kolkata. In Kolkata, we have so many places to visit. Victoria Memorial, Belur Mott, the Kineshwar Temple, Eden Gardens and what not. So I hope all of you loved and enjoyed watching this video where we got to know about our own state, West Bengal. I hope you all understood it very well. Now, what you will do? You will read the books in between the lines. You will follow the PDF that has been provided in the description box. If you have any problem or any suggestion, you can comment in the comment box given below. If you like my video and my content, do hit the like button and do share it among your friends. If you're new to my channel and if you want to watch more videos, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the further notifications of my upcoming videos. Stay tuned for my next video where we will get to know about Assam, the state which is located on the Brahmaputra basin. Till then, take care and stay safe. Thank you.